In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Arma Reforger Crossplay. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about crossplay in Arma Reforger and how to set it up. So to keep it simple, Arma Reforger has crossplay, and usually it is enabled by default. So you will be able to play with someone who is on Xbox if you are on PC, for example, and the same will work for Xbox, PlayStation, PC, it doesn't matter. Regardless of where you are playing or where your friends are playing, all of you will be able to group up together. However, there is one main restriction that you have to be aware of. Before I start, if needed, go over to your Xbox settings and make sure that your account is enabled to do crossplay. You can do this by going to the Xbox multiplayer or your account privacy settings, and in there you will have to enable it outside of the game. The same might need to be done for PlayStation. However, I believe that only Xbox will actually have to do this. PlayStation should also be enabled by default. Once you change your account's privacy settings, nothing else remains to be done. All that you have to do now is go over to the multiplayer tab, and on multiplayer, you will see all of the servers. Now, if this is your first time playing, I highly recommend going to the official servers. So choose official from the tabs at the top. The official servers are going to work regardless of the platform, and usually they are easier to join together. So as you can see, each of them will have a unique ID. So you will have, for example, this server that is 400032. All that you have to do if you wish to join this server with your friends is to share this number. So you can share this number through a Discord call, through a text message, whatever it is, and they will be able to input it into the search function. So all that they would have to do is type the exact number of the server here, and then all of you can join together because only this server will appear. But of course, you can join other servers, or if you go over to the community tab, you can also do the same. Just look for a specific server using its title. You will see the region of the server, the amount of players, the conflict map, and then the ping. One thing to be aware of is this icon right here. So when you see a server that has this little puzzle piece icon, this means that the server is modded. Currently, during the time that I'm recording this video, mods can be used for PC and Xbox. So if you join these servers while playing on PC or Xbox, you will be prompted to download some mods. So all that you would have to do is download all the mods and you join. However, if you are on PlayStation, currently, like I said, during the time that I'm recording this video, they don't work. So if you are on PlayStation, you cannot join a modded lobby. In the future, mods will work for PlayStation, but be aware that currently they don't work. So if you are watching this video in the future, you might be able to join these servers together with your friends for crossplay. But as it stands right now, you need to join an unmodded server if you have a friend who is on PlayStation or if you yourself are on PlayStation. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Arma Reforger Crossplay. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.